Once upon a time, in a wide golden meadow where the grass swayed like a green ocean, 4 strong oxen lived as the closest of friends. Their names were Buster, Duke, Rusty, and Hank. Wherever one went, the other 3 followed, 4 shadows moving as one. When danger came near, they turned their tails together and faced out with their long, sharp horns. No lion, no wolf, nothing could touch them. They drank from the river together. They rested together. They were unbreakable. But a hungry old lion had been watching them from the shadows of the trees. His belly ached with hunger. "Those oxen are too good of friends," he growled softly. "As long as they stay together, I can't get close. One set of horns on every side. They protect each other like brothers. But friendships crack. Pride always finds a way in. And the day one of them stands alone, that's the day I feast." For a long time, the lion waited. Then one bright morning, something changed. Buster lifted his head and said, "The grass looks freshest down in the valley. Let's all go there." Duke shook his head. "The valley? I thought you were smarter than that, Buster. The hill is better. Any fool can see it." Buster went still. His ears flattened. That one word, fool, hung in the air between them. Rusty stamped his hoof. "I'm not climbing any hill, and I'm not going to the valley. The grass right here is just fine for me." Hank, the oldest, snorted. "You boys don't know anything. I've walked this land longer than all of you. Follow me, and I'll show you the richest pasture you've ever tasted." The words grew sharper. Buster said, "Fine, enjoy your hill. I don't need any of you." Duke shot back, "Fine, I'm going to the hill. You're being selfish if you won't come with me." Rusty stayed put. "I'm staying right here. You'll all be sorry when the lion gets you." Hank turned away angrily. "I don't need any of you. I'll go alone." And just like that, the 4 friends who had always stood together walked off in 4 different directions. In the trees, the lion smiled. He didn't have to hunt them now. Pride had done his work for him. Buster reached the valley first. He lowered his head to eat, thinking he had made the right choice. The lion waited until Buster was only a few steps away. Then he sprang. Buster never saw it coming. Next, the lion climbed the hill. Duke was there, alone, enjoying the view. He looked up just in time to see the lion charging. With only 1 pair of horns and no brothers beside him, he couldn't fight back. The lion kept moving. Rusty was still in the same spot, feeling proud that he hadn't given in. But pride didn't save him when the lion came out of the trees. And Hank, the oldest and most stubborn, was far off in his better pasture when he heard the heavy footsteps. He turned, but it was too late. By the time the sun began to set, the meadow that once echoed with 4 strong voices was quiet. The lion licked his whiskers and walked slowly back into the shadows, full at last. The strongest people are never taken down by their enemies. They're taken down the moment the people beside them walk away. Maybe you were the one who tried to keep everyone together. You saw the little argument starting, the pride creeping in, and you did your best to hold the group close. But one by one, they let their egos pull them apart. Too proud to bend, too stubborn to make peace. And when they scattered, you were left standing there, watching people who once protected each other face the world alone. You didn't lose them because you were weak. You lost them because they chose being right over staying together. You would have stood beside them forever. They walked away first. If you were always the one holding everyone together, write "together" in the comments. The loyal ones deserve to know they're not alone. If this story reached you, subscribe. A new one arrives every day. Thanks for being here. See you in the next one.